Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2016 Forest River Georgetown 378 XL. 3 slide outs, all with awning toppers, solid one-piece windshield, Ford V10, side cameras, outside entertainment center, seamless windows, power awning, tons of storage, rear ladder with the backup camera, 5,000-pound tow hitch. As we enter in, you'll see the Georgetown 378 XL and the Pebble decor. Fireplace, large flat screen TV. There is a bunk over the cab. Automatic leveling jacks. L-shaped sofa. Table and chairs. Nice tile floor. Solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances with a residential refrigerator, pass-through bathroom, nice corner shower, glass sink, separate toilet area, good amount of wardrobe storage in the bedroom with a TV. Queen bed on the slide out. Dual air conditioners. Full-size Onan generator. This brand new 2016 Forest River Georgetown 378 XL with the Pebble decor is located in Yorktown, Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgens, a call today. Set up your test drive. Thank you. Have a good day.